Hello, this is Washape. Today I shot a review on a very cheap watch from Daiso, made out of plastic. It's a Quartz watch. I think you can get it in Malaysia less than 10 ringgit, 100 yen. So let me open it up and we see what it's all about. Totally made of plastic, NATO strap. As you can see, the special notch here to stop the battery from starting, but once I put it in, the battery will start and this one will move. So this is a very cheap watch. You can see what it has, plastic all over. It's just a simple push in case back, plastic, glass of screen, the front, and that's about it, all black. So let's look at the measurement itself. I think as far as measurement itself is not that big. You're looking at, for example, the width is approximately 36 cm. Length to lug is about 43 oddly, and you have a height of about 11.5 millimeter. It's very light watch, very simple. So if you want to use it as a simple watch anytime, by all means. So you can see, if I move it, you can see that it's so cheap that even the second sense are also like is not that strong. Perhaps I will just let them. Let me pull out the stock, special stock here, and we see whether it runs or not. Okay, it runs. See when the motor runs, the minute hand is not anything, but here it is. This is how slow it is. Normal clock, tick tock. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. And you want to see how it looks like on my wrist. I suppose I'm not gonna wear it, but yeah, so it fits well. Anyway, thank you so much for listening to this short review. Bye.